Hello friends, once again welcome you all to my YouTube channel, the SCADA Insider. So are you looking to connect WinCC with an external OPC server, but you are not sure where to start? Then don't worry, I've got you covered with this. So today what we will do, we will try to configure OPC client driver in WinCC SCADA software, and we will try to communicate with one of the OPC server. So in today's demonstration, I do not actually got any kind of simulation software. So what I did, I just created a Python script where I have created a PCS server. We'll just demonstrate that script which I have created. So you can see a script available in front of you where I have just imported some packages from Python and created a OPC server with the link available as this one, opc.tcp localhost 4840 port number. Now in this server, what I did, I configured two tags. One is auxiliary substation meter, and second tag I have configured it as this one. So just what we will do, we will just pass this same tags here, uh, and this one here. Okay. So I've created a OPCS server. Now we will start this OPCS server. Once we start this OPCS server, we will see that the server has started sending the server is started and it has started sending data for these two tags. One is auxiliary substation meter KWH and second one is main substation. So for this one we can see the values are updating every 10 seconds because I have written code here which is which is providing an incremented of value every 10 seconds. So those values are being updated here in this command prompt. Here we can see those are up. Now what we will do, we will try to communicate this OPC server with WinCC UI. Okay. So for like configuring it in WinCC UI, what we need to do, we need to start the project. So first we will start the project. Now as soon as the console is open, we need to add a OPC client driver because we need to connect via OPC client. We need to add it. How to append this driver here? If you are fresher, you can just check the manager properties. You need to click on this button. What is this button? Is append a new manager. Once this manager properties window is open, you will see there are many number of drivers available, right? You need to select OPC client driver from this one, right? And click on OK button. As soon as we add, it will be added here. Now we don't require this driver. We already have added one driver. I will remove the second one which I have added. Okay. Now the driver has been added and it is in running condition. Now we need to do the configuration inside the development environment, that is inside the GED. So I'm opening the GED. Now for configuring the device, what we need to do is basically open the system management. In system management, we need to go to the driver OPC. In driver OPC, we are having OPC client option available. Okay, right? So I will just delete this device. So for demo purpose, I have created one device, test device. For you all, I will create a new device. I will give name as demo device. Demo device. Okay. Now we need to configure the URL. So for configuring URL, we need to add this URL here. Control C, Control V. Now what is this URL is? All the OPCS servers which you are gonna configure into WinCC are having a unique URLs with them through which we can access the tags of that particular OPCS server. In my case, I've created a server using Python, but in the real time you will be having different OPCS servers available. Okay, make the servers active and you can go here. Oh, sorry, I have not applied yet. So as soon as I apply, you can see the state has been changed to connected. Even if I go to this one and I will try to discover, you will see it is getting discovered at this particular IP address. Similarly, whenever you will try to communicate with other OPCS server, whenever you add a proper OPCS server URL and it is getting access in this WinCC, then you will find this kind of URL available into your WinCC software also. Okay. Now, how to browse this tag? We have already created two tags in this OPC server. So for browsing this tag, we can just go to this particular option available as commands and click on browse button. As soon as you click on browse button, you will see the tags available here. So see, the tag which I have created first is auxiliary substation meter. It is available here. And the second tag is main substation meter KWH. It is available here. So this was a basic how to configure OPC UA server like OPC UA client driver and connect with the OPC UA server. Now, how to link these particular tags with the actual data points available in WinCC UA. So in my previous tutorial, I have shown you I have prepared some energy meter tags for sending data to PostgreSQL. I will use the same tag. Okay. Now, delete this config. Suppose we have a parameter as KWH and I need to add a address config. So what we will do, click on insert config and periphery address. So once we click on periphery address, the address config will be available here. Now what we need to configure is driver type. Now we are getting data over OPC UA client. So I will select OPC UA client here. Click on configure button. As soon as you click on configure button, you will see all the servers which we have configured in the device panel in the system management window. For now, I will use test device. Okay. Now this is auxiliary substation meter KWS. So I need to configure the same item here. So I will click on get item. In get item, I will select the auxiliary substation meter. So the value which is coming inside this particular tag will be passed to this KWH. Okay. Now I have linked the tag here. Type of transformation. What kind of data we are getting? We are getting the float value. So I'm making it as a float. The direction will be input because we are receiving data. We are not sending data to the OPC server. We are receiving data. So it will be input. Also in the receive mode, it will be polling because we are polling data every some time interval. So I'm maintaining this as 500 millisecond. Also, this is variable. We can make it different type of. So if you want to poll every 1 second, you can create the poll group of 1 second. If you have different time interval. For now, I will make it 500 second. Apply. Okay. Click on the address active and apply. As soon as I click on apply, you can see the data has started coming here. See, the data is updating every 10 seconds. And the same data which is being sent from the server, we can see the data available here. So the last data now which is sent is it is at 38. Now it will change to 39. It will be reflected here also. 39. Yeah. See, the data has been changed to 39. Okay. Now we will configure the another tag. So suppose I configure the main substation also. Insert config periphery address. Here I will check OPC UA client, configure, get item. See, either I can use test device, either I can use demo device because both the devices are having same URL. Even if I go with the demo device, you will see the same tags because they both are having same URL inside it. Okay, so I'm clicking on main substation, type of transformation as float, direction input, full group 500 millisecond, apply, address active, apply, OK. Now you can see the value currently for the main substation meter which OPC server is sending is 93. We are having 93. It has changed to 94. The value is 94. Similarly, the value for auxiliary substation is 44. You can see the value has changed to 44. Now 45. But have you observed one thing that this timestamp is continuously updating? Why so? Because we have maintained a poll group as 500 millisecond and every 500 millisecond it is polling data. So what we can do, make it as old new comparison. So the timestamp will update only when the data is being changed. Now we will observe, see, now the timestamp is changing when the data is getting changed. It will not poll now and then. Okay, similarly for this one, we will make it to old new comparison and apply. Now see, the data is changed to 98. We'll just wait for 10 seconds. Now the data will change to 99. My data is changed to 99. So in this way, we need to configure the WinCC UA data points. We need to add the address config for OPC UA client driver and communicate the data with the OPC UA server. Okay. Now suppose if I try to stop the OPC server in this Python program, I will stop the immediately as soon as I stop the server, you will see the state is getting disconnected here. see the server has stopped and my state has been changed to not connected state, right? Yeah. So in this way, we need to communicate OPC UA client driver. Like we can say, we can communicate WinCC UA over OPC UA client with the OPC UA server. So in case of any doubts, any queries, you can just reach me out in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.